No, go find the two-handed pliers.
Those are snips.
Huh?
Those are snips.
I think it was snips.
Wait, you gotta find the.
Go find the two-handed pliers, Chris.
Nobody calls them snippers.
Snips.
Man, you gotta find the
What?
sawzall.
Huh?
You gotta find the other sawzall.
You found the
I
other
found
one?
one already. I got one already. I know exactly what he said. Sawzall.
And the two-handed pliers.
I gotta find two things. You only got to find one.
Mama just saying two-handed pliers.
He gonna find them. What are you talking about? You looking for them, Chris?
Yeah. What's these? What's this?
What?
He looking at a whole bunch of other stuff.
Cause I don't know. Ain't nobody.
You know what a sawzall is?
Sawzall.
No.
Sawzall.
I know what it is. I still seen what it is.
It saws all.
No, I know what it is, but I don't know about 2handed pliers.
No, I got one.
Come on, you don't see no two-handed pliers?
What else we find?
A sawzall.
No, I ain't. No, I ain't.
Look in a bucket for some two-handed pliers.
What?
You gotta find the other one.
No,
Yeah, you gotta find the other one.